Good morning everyone. Welcome to our new episode of Jeevaniya. Today we will learn about Sukadev Maharajji's Banaras Gharana.
Guru Brahma Guru Vishnu Guru Devo Maheshwara Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha.
Guru Acharya Pandit Sukadev Maharaj Ji. Pandit Sukadev Maharaj Ji was born in Brahmin family at Kathmandu, Nepal in 1884. He worked as a Darbari singer at Nepal's Nawab's court. He married with Matsya Kumari. He was brilliant in Sangeet and Sanskrit. He learned Kathak from his cousin Nanku Maharaj Ji, who was student of Bindadin Maharaj Ji. When Sukadev Maharaj Ji returned in Banaras, he completed his dance education under the guidance of Pandit Achand Maharaj Ji, Lachu Maharaj Ji and Pandit Shambhu Maharaj Ji. He composed various kavitya. He had 3 daughters, Tara, Sitara and Alaknanda, and 2 sons, Pandey Maharaj Ji and Chaube Maharaj Ji. He supported his sons and daughters too for their Kathak dance training because in those days there was a social assumption that girls from good families should not dance. He also trained his grandchild Nataraj Gopi Krishna to perform on various stages. This great artist left the world on 27th October 1961. Guru Kathak Samradni Sitara Devi Ji. Sitara Devi Ji was born in 1920. Sukadev Maharaj Ji and Matsya Kumari wanted to educate their girls with Kathak education. But in those days, there was a social assumption that girls from good families should not dance. Hence, Sukadev Maharaj Ji left Banaras and shifted to Kolkata. Then he started to teach his daughters. After that, Sitara Devi Ji started her Kathak education under the guidance of Father Sukadev Maharaj Ji and completed under the guidance of Pandit Shambhu Maharaj Ji and Achand Maharaj Ji. At an early age, she performed her first performance at 3 Art Circle, Mumbai and gathered a lot of appreciation for her dance performance. Guru Ravindranath Tagore was in audience at that time. He saw her performance and entitled her as Kathak Queen and Nritya Sham Ragini. She choreographed for several films and performed too. She married Mr. Pratap Barot in 1960. She performed for 12 hours continuously and made record at Birla Matoshri Sabhagriha, Mumbai in 1970. She was awarded with Nritya Vilas, Sur Singar Sansad and Padma Shri Award. She achieved her doctorate from Khairagarh Vishwavidyalaya. She was the first woman who performed abroad at various stages and gathered a lot of appreciation for her performances. This great personality died on 25th November 2014. Guru Pandit Chaube Maharaj Ji. Chaube Maharaj Ji was born on 17th May 1923 at Kolkata. His original name was Chaturbhuj Mishra. When he was a child, he observed his elder sisters Tara and Sitara while practicing Kathak, and he tried to copy them. One day Pandit Achan Maharaj Ji came at Kolkata. That time he saw Chaube Maharaj Ji's love for dance and impressed on him, and he decided to adopt Chaube Maharaj Ji and asked Sukhadev Maharaj Ji for this. And then Achan Maharaj Ji adopted him and trained him properly. Chaube Maharaj Ji performed at various stages along with Achan Maharaj Ji. He performed Jugalbandi as character of Ram Prasad Agrewale in film Jhanak Jhanak Payal Baje along with his niece Nataraj Gopi Krishna. He taught various bandish to his elder sister Sitara Ji. He was also a good tabla player. He had a simple gesture. He was one of the talented personalities in India. One day he was invited from Rangamahal Theatre, Kolkata. Samta Prasad Ji, means Gudai Maharaj Ji, was playing tabla for Chaturbhuj Maharaj Ji. At that time, unknowingly, there began a jugalbandi between both of them, and this continued till 1 hour. Gudai Maharaj would play various tals and Chaube Maharaj Ji would perform on that. At last, after 1 hour, Gudai Maharaj Ji stopped and said that it is not easy for everyone to compete with Chaube Maharaj Ji. Chaube Maharaj Ji guided several students. Presenting Gatnikas, Upas Tode, Paran was his speciality. Such a talented person died on 24th November 1991. Guru Padma Shri Nataraj Gopi Krishna. Padma Shri Nataraj Gopi Krishna was born on 22nd August 1933 on the day of Gokulashtami at Kolkata. He was grandchild of Acharya Sukhadev Maharaj Ji. His parents were Mr. Radha Krishna Santholia and Tara Devi Ji. He was an exponent of the Banaras Gharana style of Kathak. At an early age of 6 years, Gopiji started his Kathak education under the guidance of Pandit Achan Maharaj Ji. Thereafter, in 1948, he continued his practice under the guidance of Pandit Lachu Maharaj Ji. He presented his first performance at All Bengal Conference at an age of 13 years and was entitled as Nataraj. He achieved early fame from Chitra Tapasvi V. Shantaram's film Jhanak Jhanak Payal Baje, where he showed his mastery over the Kathak dance. He choreographed for a number of films. He also learned Bharatnatyam, Manipuri, Kathakali dance forms. Presenting and choreographing number of dance dramas was his speciality. Doordarshan channel entitled him as Anmol Ratna. He successfully did various experiments in Kathak dance form like dance presentation on Tarana bowls, doing chakkars on the knee, performed tatkars by standing on thali, presenting tathai thaitat athai thaitat bowls through eyebrows, and he introduced slow motion dance style in romantic songs of the Bollywood films. Despite suffering from chronic asthma, he made record of 9 hours continuously presentation of Kathak dance. He started his own dance institute under the name of Nateshwar Kala Mandir at Bandra. He had trained a large number of students. His daughter Shampa Santholia is also a choreographer and dancer. He was awarded with Padma Shri Award by Government of India. This great artist died on 18th February 1994 at an age of 61 years. Guru, Kathak Queen Jayanti Malaji. Kathak Queen Jayanti Mala Mishra ji, known as Urvashi, is petite, dynamic and vibrant. She was born in Banaras in the musical family that proudly stands as the founders of Banaras Gharana, Acharya Pandit Sukhdev Maharaj ji. Jayanti Malaji is the 10th generation of the Banaras Gharana. She is the daughter of Kathak Samradni Sitara Devi ji and niece of Acharya Chaube Maharaj ji, her guru and father figure, who not only nurtured her but also made her who she is today. At the age of 3 years, she gave her first performance on the stage as a Kathak dancer under the guidance of Sukhdev Maharaj ji. She also learnt Indian ballet, fusion and contemporary from master choreographer of ballet Sachin Shankar. She has performed with several tabla legends like Allah Rakha Sahab, Zakir Hussain, Pandit Kishan Maharaj ji, Pandit Shanta Prasad ji and Latif Ahmad. She has also worked with maestros like Shafat Ahmad Khan Sahab, Kumar Lal ji, Fazal Qureshi, Tawfiq Qureshi, Kumar Bose, Kalinath Mishra and Lachu Maharaj ji. Kalakriti Kendra is her own dance institute at Warsaw where she tutors numbers of students. She is felicitated with Singarmani Award, Nritya Vilas, Swami Haridas Award, Urvashi Award, Sangeet Devi Award, Bharat Nirman Award, Natya Nartiki Award and Kathak Queen Award by State Finance and Parliamentary Ministry, New Delhi, and Senior Fellowship by Government of India, Ministry of Tourism and Culture, Department of Culture for her research on Sukhdev Maharaj Banaras Gharana. She is also the Doordarshan top rank artist and she has directed for Indian television. She has performed and conducted workshops for mythological temple style as well as the Mughal style Darbari Nritya at various international stages. She is very versatile in Abhinaya and Laikari. The clarity of her mudras and hand movements are excellent. She is a very graceful dancer. She combines both tradition and modernity in her presentation, as she believes that enrichment of any art is a dynamic process in which purity and innovation need not be mutually exclusive. She composed and choreographed number of dance dramas and performed on them too. Her daughter Rishika Mishra is also a good Kathak performer like her mother. Okay everyone, thanks for watching this video. We will meet again on next Thursday. Thank you.